Jai Hind and welcome to all students. As we all know that this is the time of Corona pandemic, right? So the whole country has locked down itself. And we all know that most of the schools have started online teaching. So you must take advantage of this opportunity, right? To maintain the flow of study. So now let's start our day class. Saraswati Sishkunj Gagwala Bursar Standard 2nd Subject EVS English Medium. Date 25th June 2020. Day Thursday. Chapter number 5. The clothes we wear. Part 3. Okay students, tell me, what did we learn in part 2? Yes, we learned the hard words of part 2. We also learned what are the clothes protects us from. We also learned what are the clothes made of. Okay, we also learned in detail about cotton clothes and silk clothes. For example, cotton, we wear cotton clothes in summer, right? It keep our body cool. Silk clothes, it is we can get silk from silkworms. Okay, the clothes of silks are soft and shiny. Now let's start our today class. Chapter number 5, the clothes we wear. Part 3 with hard words. Hard words. First one is NYLON. 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 Nylon means fabric which is made of nylon fibers. Okay, what is the meaning of nylon? A fabric which is made of nylon fibers. Number 2. Polyester. Polyester. Okay, what is the meaning of polyester? Polyester means fabric which is made of polyester fiber. Okay, polyester is a fabric which is made of polyester fibers. Now students, see this picture. What can you see in this picture? Yes, these are clothes. Okay, this type of clothes are made from nylon and polyester. Number 3. Bars. Bars means a piece of wood which is used as a cloth. Okay, what is the meaning of bars? A piece of wood which is used as a cloth. In older time, the people they did not have clothes, so they used bars, means a piece of wood. Okay, we can say the skin of tree. They used a skin of tree to cover their body. That means bars. Now see this picture. What can you see? Yes, you can see here the tree's skin. Okay, we can also say bars. This is the picture of bars, the skin of tree. A piece of wood that is used as a cloth. Now students, let's study in detail about woolen clothes and nylon and polyester clothes. First we will learn about woolen clothes. Now students, tell me, what can you see in this picture? Yes. Okay, there is a clothes called mittens, gloves, belly, earmuffs, boots, jacket, scarf, socks, sweater and pants. Right? So now students, tell me, in which season do you wear this type of clothes? Okay, the answer is winter season. In winter season, we wear clothes like this. For example, gloves, belly, earmuffs, boots, jacket, scarf, socks, sweater and pants. Now let's study in detail about woolen clothes. We wear woolen clothes in winter, right? In which season do we wear woolen clothes? So the answer is winter. We wear woolen clothes in winter. Why do we wear woolen clothes in winter? Because it keeps our body warm. Okay, see here. They keep the body warm. Okay. In which winter season we feel cold. If you wear woolen clothes, we do not feel coldness. We feel warm. That's why we wear woolen clothes in winter season. Wool is made from the hair of sheep, goats, rabbits and camels. Okay. What is wool made of? Okay. So the wool is made of the hair of sheep, goats, rabbits and camels. Okay. Now let's take check. First one is we wear blank clothes in winter season. So students, what is the answer? Yes, the answer is W-O-O-L-E-N, woolen. We wear woolen clothes in winter season. Now students, let's learn about nylon and polyester clothes. Okay, what is this? Okay, these are the clothes made from nylon and polyester. Now let's understand what is nylon and what is polyester. As I told you in adverts that nylon means a fabric which is made of nylon fibers. Like that way, polyester. Polyester means a fabric which is made of polyester fibers. Now let's study detail about nylon and polyester. Nylon and polyester threads are made in factories. Clothes made with these threads are called synthetic, right? As I told in our verse in part 2 that what is the meaning of synthetic? Synthetic means a substance which is made by chemical synthesis. Okay, so the clothes made with these threads are called synthetic. Synthetic clothes. Synthetic clothes are easy to wash and dry. Most of the clothes and uniforms that we wear are made of a mixture of cotton and synthetics. Listen again. Most of the clothes and uniforms that we wear, okay, this is a uniform, are made of a mixture. It is a mixture of cotton and synthetic materials, right? Most of the clothes, what is made of? So it is the mixture of cotton and synthetic materials. Now let's quick check. Nylon and polyester threads are made in blend. Okay. Where do the nylon and polyester threads are made? So the answer is factories. nylon and polyester threads are made in factories. Number 2, which clothes are easy to wash? We can wash easily. Which clothes are they? Okay, so the answer is okay. Synthetic clothes are easy to wash. Now students, tell me, what can you see in this picture? Yes, the answer is these are the people of India wearing different clothes. Okay, these are the people wearing different clothes. Okay, you can see in this picture there is a Gujarati people, Maratha people, Tamil, Bengali, Punjabi, Parsi, Marwadi, Christian, Sikh, Muslim, Bahari, Kashmiri, Bhil, Kathiawadi, Koli and Gorkha. So these people have worn different types of clothes according to their states. As we all know that India is a diverse country. In India there are many states. According to state wise, okay, the people are also different. Their religion is different. Their clothes are different. Their festivals are different, right? So according to state, people wear this type of clothes according to their state. Now students, see this picture. Okay, in India some people wear uniforms. Okay, this is a picture of doctor. So doctor has particular dress, particular uniform. Okay, like that way nurse, she has also wore a uniform. You can see dentist, scientist, astronaut, sailor, soldier, pilot, lawyer, teacher, policeman, okay, fireman, postman, cook, tailor, carpenter. So in this some people wear uniforms, like they have particular dress, or we can say particular uniform. Okay students, now see this picture. Okay, what do they have got? They have got the leaves of trees and bars. Okay, in older time, before many years, people did not have clothes, especially those people who live in forest. So what did they wear? Okay, so they wore the clothes like this, the leaves of trees and bars, we can say the skin of trees, a piece of wood which is used as a clothes, as I told you in hardwoods. Okay, early humans used the bars, leaves of trees and skins of animals. Okay, especially those people who live in forest, they use the leaves of trees, bars and also the skins of animals to protect themselves from cold, rain and heat. As I told you, clothes protects us from heat, rain, cold and germs and dust. Okay, so I hope you understood this topic. Okay students, what did we learn in part 3? Yes, we learned the words like nylon, polyester, bars. We also learned in detail about woolen clothes. Okay, nylon and polyester clothes. Okay, we also learned about traditional clothes the people wear in India from different states. We also learned about occupation-wise clothes. Okay, so I hope you understood the whole part 3. Thank you.